Child, listen, I finally finished court after several weeks checking out the ASAP Rocky trial. And as you all know now that he was found not guilty on all charges. Did y'all check out the leak that was heard around the world?
We, the jury, the above entitled action, find the defendant, Rakim not guilty.
Baby, that man loved that woman. And I know his mama was there and hugging him too, but he was sleeping in his woman's arms. Let's be clear. And as I've been saying from the beginning, I didn't personally feel like they had enough evidence to even bring this case to trial. Doesn't make a lot of sense to me or to many others that they would. But of course, like with anything, it could have been found either way. It's my understanding that there was a juror that was interviewed by Nika Knight. Shout out to Nika Knight from over there on YouTube. That said that they felt like a crime had been committed, but that based on the juror instructions and that the way that the law is written, that they didn't feel that they had enough evidence to convict. And that was my issue all along. There was just simply not any evidence in this case. This is the judgment that I thought would happen. But I got to be honest, baby, the morning of, I was so nervous when the defense made their motion to suppress certain evidence and the judge denied it. Then I was super worried whether or not these things would change the jurors' thoughts on the case. I also was super concerned with whether or not the judge in this case really understood technology and social media and how this could affect this case. It seems to me that what he thought was common sense is not necessarily how the rest of the world in this day and age views things. I also was super concerned about the jury pool makeup or a non-black jury. I was really concerned about that because there was many times during the trial that the prosecutors were interviewing the defense witnesses that they kept asking them, why didn't they go to the police with this evidence that they had or didn't have? In our community, we just simply do not go to the police. We don't trust law enforcement, and that is because of the long-standing history. And so if you do not understand that, meaning the jurors, if you don't understand that, then you cannot rationalize either why they wouldn't simply just go to the police. But more importantly, why didn't the police ever call any of these people? They knew that there were witnesses there. Why didn't they ever call them in to be interviewed? Why didn't they ask them any questions until 2 weeks before trial? It really seemed as if the prosecutors were trying to put the onus on the defense. I'm just happy that at the end of the day, he ended up getting a fair trial, which we know is not always afforded to us. So if it had to do with money or just that they simply got people who really wanted to do the right thing, not convict someone because of who they are, their status, or the color of their skin. So congratulations to ASAP Rocky and his family. They can go on about their lives and move on from this. Now, he does still have to deal with the civil case that we know is all about the money. But I'm hoping that because they saw through this victim in this case, that they'll also see through it in the other one. So good luck to you.